That's Nature Dog. They're making me film a video of Nature Dog.
She dug a hole and she sat in it. Go get a close up on her hole.
So here we have Nature Dog and her little hole.
Pet Nature Dog. No, pet her tummy.
And then here we have this apple I threw last night because it was rotten. And then there's another one of Nature Dog's holes. And there's another one.
And there's another one back there.
And there's another
Look at
one.
Nature Dog. She's posing. There's bugs all over Nature Dog. Look at Nature Dog's little teeth. Nature Dog is a child. I see your teeth. Nature Dog.
Nature Dog.
Are you still
Madison, do you want to come be in Nature Dog's video?
Let me be in Nature Dog's video.
I already got you.
Sure, I'll come be in it. What about mine?
Nature Dog's running around.
Nature Dog's going to check out her other hole.
Oh, look, she's digging.
Hey, she's mid-nature hole. Look, look at her. She's mid-nature hole. Look at her go. Nature Dog. Do it again. Nature Dog. Dig it hole. She's a fish. Look at her go. She's a little dirty. Good time. That was the Nature Dog song. Hi. Nature Dog. She's digging another hole for me to sit in.
Over there is where the dust is going.
Look how dirty her back leg is.
Oh, she's digging at me now.
She's Nature Dog. It's Nature Dog.
Are we done with Nature Dog yet?
No, look at her hole. She's going into the bushes to make sure there's nothing got in.
Oh, gotta step over a train.
She's going to check out her other holes. She's all wrapped up. She's got to make sure all her properties are okay.
She didn't check about on that one.
Oh, she's sitting in her new hole.
Chica, do you like it there?
It's Nature Dog.
Well, she doesn't respond to Nature Dog.
Nature Dog. Nature Dog. Sitting in her hole she did. Go.
Chica, how do you feel?
Nature